And I'm Nathan Regan. Welcome to Burnell's.
In 1979, Jerry Burnell opened Burnell's. It was one of the first businesses on Rock Road after it was paved from a dirt road. We expanded from half the original size to twice the store size as we know it today. We carry jewelry lines from Wichita to Detroit to lines from Italy, Germany, and Barcelona. Burnell's is truly a real jewelry store. The team of Burnell's is comprised of 8 wonderful people, including 4 jewelers and 3 gemologists. In total, the staff has over 150 years of experience in the jewelry business. We offer a full range of services from custom, repairs, to consultation on how to buy a diamond, and full appraisals with estate appraisals. Our jewelry is handpicked piece by piece from all over the world. No cookie cutter looks here. Come play jewelry store and see what our team can offer. A true experience of knowledge, art, and beauty for any special occasion.